Okay, welcome to Excel Bliss, and this is a channel meant for you. It's meant to give you vital information concerning education, and in that we have scholarships, we have how you can get visas to study abroad, how you can get loans, how you can get jobs for those who are graduates, for those who want to work abroad. So this channel is meant for you. Do well by subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification button so that anytime we have vital information to pass across, you will be notified. A beginner's guide to the 7 basic types of insurance. Insurance is not something many people are knowledgeable about. If you do end up needing insurance, it can be a stressful time for all involved. This guide will provide information on the basics of what an insurance agent does and how they work with clients in order to get coverage. As we continue our journey through life, things happen that may require us to take up policies or go through the process of getting one. But researching which type best meets your needs can feel like a daunting task. This guide will provide details on the 7 different types of insurance that are available to help you make a more informed decision. The following article provides information on the basis of what an insurance agent does, their responsibilities, and how they work with clients. How does insurance work? When it comes to insurance, many people don't really understand how it works. The fact is, insurance is a way for companies to share risk and protect themselves from potential losses. In the event that something does happen and the company suffers a loss, they may be able to get money from their insurance company to help cover the costs. In order for this system to work, both the company and the insurance company need to agree on some terms. The company pays premiums each month or year, which are used to cover any potential losses suffered by the insurance company. This helps reduce the overall risk of a single client losing something significant at any given time. There are different types of insurance policies available, including auto insurance, which has minimum requirements set out by law. It's important for everyone to have some form of coverage in case something happens. After all, accidents can happen to anyone. 7 basic types of insurance. Life insurance or personal insurance. There are 2 types of life insurance: traditional whole life and term life. Which one you choose depends on your needs and budget. Traditional whole life is the best option for people who need an income too, as well as insurance protection. It covers you for your entire lifetime, so you never have to worry about being uninsured. Term life is good for people who want coverage only until they reach a certain age or die. It must be less expensive than traditional whole life, but it does not provide an income stream if something happens to you. Age, occupation, and number of dependent children are the 3 factors to consider when deciding between whole life insurance and term life insurance. Property insurance. Property insurance protects your home and its contents in the event of a fire, theft, or other covered disasters. It is important to have property insurance if you own a home, as the cost of repairing or rebuilding can be expensive. Your policy will also reimburse you for any lost possessions. There are 2 main types of property insurance: homeowners insurance and renters insurance. Homeowners insurance covers damage to your home, while renters insurance covers your personal belongings in the event of a covered disaster. It is important to read through your policy carefully to make sure you understand what is and is not covered. Be sure to ask your agents any questions you have about coverage. Marine insurance. One common type of insurance is marine insurance. Marine insurance protects the financial interests of a business or individual with regard to losses incurred while the policyholder is operating a vessel on the water. Marine policies can be tailored to protect the policyholder in a number of different ways, including the value of the vessel being protected, liability for damage caused by the vessel, coverage for lost or damaged cargo, Insurance against crew members becoming sick or injured while at sea. Fire insurance. Fire insurance is a type of property insurance that covers losses caused by fire. It is usually purchased by business owners and homeowners. Fire insurance policies typically covers the cost of repairing or rebuilding a structure as well as the contents inside. Most states require businesses to have fire insurance. Homeowners are not always required to have it, but it is recommended, especially if you live in an area where there is a high risk of fire. There are two types of coverage: first party and third party. First party coverage pays for damages to your own property. Third party coverage pays for damages to someone else's property. It's important to read your policy closely to make sure you understand what is and isn't covered. You should also ask your agent about any endorsements or riders that can be added to your policy for extra protection. Liability insurance. All businesses should have general liability insurance. This type of policy protects a company from claims made against it and from damage to its premises. General liability insurance does not cover employee injuries, auto accidents, or professional mistakes. General liability insurance exists to protect a business from harm caused to customers or clients. It is important to note that professional liability insurance is necessary for professionals who deal with the public. This type of coverage is not included in any other policy. Guarantee insurance. Guarantee insurance is a type of insurance that protects the policyholder against losses if the person or company they are doing business with fails to meet their obligations. For example, if you're a contractor and the company you're working for goes bankrupt, your guarantee insurance would cover any losses you incur as a result. There are two types of guarantee insurance: performance and payment. Performance guarantee insurance protects the policy from losing money due to poor workmanship or failure to complete the project. Payment guarantee insurance covers losses incurred when a supplier or vendor does not pay for services or products provided. Both types of guarantee insurance are commonly used in construction and engineering projects, but can be used in any business deal where there is a risk of non-payment or workmanship that is poor workmanship rather. Guarantee insurance. There are different types of insurance policies, and one of them is called a guarantee insurance policy. This type of policy covers the cost of repairing or replacing something that was insured up to a certain amount. It's important to note that this policy does not cover the cost of damages due to an accident or natural disaster. Only accidental damage or loss is covered. Guarantee insurance policies are often used for high-value items like jewelry, art, and antiques.